This is a brand new camera. Let's see if we can get the camera to go on. %, correct? If we swipe down, go to the cog gear, and we go all the way to the bottom of the camera, factory reset, and confirm. I have not yet set my camera up. %. I'm going to shut my camera down. I'm going to show you 78%. So in order for us to see if we have an issue with the Xtra Atto and get this corrected, Xtra needs to come forward and confirm of the issue. I hope this was helpful to somebody, that this is the norm of the camera.